Once again, hello guys and welcome back to another of our classes about Excel data analysis. So in this second course of our second project, we are gonna set up all the goals that we need to be able to create to be able to make the analysis of our database that consists of stocks. Well, of one stock, but all the data of this stock. Alright, so the first thing that we are trying to look for in this database would be the highest price, so the highest price ever. And don't forget, open up your Word document so you will be able to write down all the goals. So the highest price ever. Once again, when I say the highest price ever, I'm talking about this time frame, so in the past year, not the all-time high. Same thing for the lowest price. So those two elements will be very important for us to be able to do what we want to do with the data analysis. Next thing, we want to calculate the standard deviation of this chart. So we'll write down standard deviation. And before we continue, I'll just explain you why we want to calculate the standard deviation. First of all, let me just show you a little graph of what's the standard deviation. Standard deviation is this little thing right here. Usually, why we'll need this, we'll need the standard deviation to be able to predict the future price range of this stock or ETF. So why? Because as you can see here, if we add one standard deviation, well, we'll have almost 68% chances to be right where exactly will be the stock in the next, let's say, month. If we add two standard deviation of the stock, it will be around 90%. So 90% will be a good number. If we add three standard deviation, it's something like 97.2%. It's very, very high. So once again, this is why we'll need the standard deviation to be able to make the calculation of, to be able to predict the future price of the stock. Right. So as I said, the standard deviation will be very important for us to find. Next thing we'll look for will be the highest price movement. So highest price movement. So what that means? It means we'll look for in the change. What was the highest change ever? So what day exactly? What was the value of the highest movement in the price? Next thing, lowest price movement, so exactly the same thing. Only this time we'll try to look the lowest price movement. After that, we'll calculate the daily volatility, which means what is the whole price movement, so the complete price movement in one day. So from the lowest price to the highest price on a daily basis. And from this, we'll calculate the average volatility of, the daily average volatility of this stock. So daily volatility. And finally, when all this will be done, it's very simple. We will create our model that will predict the price range of the stock for, let's say, the next month. Once again, it could be, a longer time frame, a shorter time frame. And our goal is to predict a price range that will be something around 95% of accuracy, that will have something like 95% of accuracy. Once again, the price range can be modified on a daily basis from day to day, but we'll talk about this when we'll be creating the model in itself. All right, so that's it for this course, guys. Right now we have our goals. We will we'll try to look for those 6 things. We don't have basic or advanced data analysis. We'll do all those in our next class. So that's it for this course, guys, and see you all in our next class.